As we continue to track some of these showers pushing in this morning, keeping our eyes to this complex that's working its way just north of Kansas City. Now, essentially what we're going to do is root this thing on to kind of sap us of some of that energy as we head into this afternoon when it works through this morning. But latest look again at that setup wise, this is what we're going to be tracking. This warm front is going to try to lift to the north as we head into the next couple of hours. Now, anywhere south of that is going to be ripe for some severe weather as we head just to the south of that warm front. But this cold front back to the north and west, that's what's essentially going to trigger off some of these thunderstorms. So we'll set future track into motion, and you can see this cluster of showers and thunderstorms really from about 9 to 10 o'clock here. Going to try to hold that warm front down to our south. That's what we want to see play out as we head into this afternoon. That really kind of tampers a lot of that severe threat, because by the time 2, 3, 4 o'clock rolls around and that cold front starts to work through the area, there's not as good of an atmosphere to play with as we head into this afternoon. So we'll roll that back one more time and just get some of the timing into the later morning hours. Now, again, we could still see some hail with some of these storms that are just north of that warm front. You can kind of pick some of those stronger cores out by about 10 and 11 o'clock. But again, it's very scattered in nature, and we're not going to be really as concerned about tornadoes here as we head into this afternoon. But we're still going to be keeping our eyes to that radar as we head into about 2 and 3 o'clock. And the biggest threat's going to be down toward the south and east, just with how this is timing out as that cold front continues to sweep through the area. But again, something to continue to track. This is like trying to pin down a moving target here as we head into our Thursday. Now, this is the latest from the Storm Prediction Center, and they have drugged that area back toward the north and west. That throws us into that marginal risk here along I-70, parts to the south and east. That's a little better chance at picking up some of those severe weather reports here in some of our southeasternmost counties. Now, threat-wise, again, what we're thinking is going to be unfolding is largely going to be some of that large hail, damaging straight-line winds. Still can't quite rule out that tornado threat quite yet, just based on how this is going to be trying to unfold as we head into the next couple of hours. Flooding doesn't look to be a huge concern as of right now, but of course we'll keep our eyes on that as well. Let's look at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast again. Looks like it's still going to be an active one as we head into this weekend. Got to watch that system on Saturday. Those afternoon highs only getting into the upper 30s. As that stuff rolls in Friday night into Saturday, could see a few wet snowflakes north really of Highway 24, but again, we'll continue to track that system as well.